Hello, and thank you for joining me today. I'm Weston, a music teacher and composer, and today I'm talking about the best exercise for beginner keyboardists. I really like this one because it uses a scale, an arpeggio, and a chord. We'll dive into what all of that means in just a moment. Check it out.
Okay, so I'll play through the exercise first and then break it down for you after. Okay, so that exercise starts with the 5-finger scale. It's called the 5-finger scale because we use all 5 fingers on each hand to play it. You'll start with your right thumb on middle C, then you'll fan the rest of your fingers out to the next 4 notes, so that we have C, D, E, F, and G ready to play. We're going to play the same notes with our left hand, but we're going to start with our pinky on C, and then fan the rest of our fingers out, just like our right hand. So the first thing that happens is we go up the scale, and then we play down the scale. Okay, this is great for people who are brand new to keyboard, to get your hands working together, to get used to playing each finger one at a time, and to build dexterity. The next part of this exercise uses what's called an arpeggio. That's when we take a chord, like C, and we play each note in that chord one at a time. If you didn't already know, a C chord is made up of C, E, and G, played at the same time. And then we make that chord an arpeggio in this exercise by breaking those notes up like this. And then the very last thing we play is the actual C chord with both hands. Don't sleep on this exercise. This exercise has a lot packed into it. It's perfect for beginners to practice several concepts in one exercise without moving positions. That being said, after you get this exercise mastered on C, try it on a different note, like D. Happy practicing, y'all.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and don't forget to check out my free sheet music library where you can find the music for this exercise. See you next time.